What's up guys, it's Blakehomie, and today's video is going to be about a question that I get asked frequently. Even though I've answered it a lot, people don't really seem to catch it, so I thought I'd make a video on it so it might be more helpful. But then it also seems like people never watch my videos, but it's whatever. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Today, I'm talking about where I get all of my piercing jewelry from. I get a lot of questions asking like the sizes, and I'll be like mentioning what size they are and telling you where I got them from, like the specific ones I have right now. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but I'm going to be screen recording it. I'm going to put it on the side of the screen. First, we're going to be visiting misspiercings.com or misspiercing.com. When I first started buying jewelry for my body, when I first started doing like body modifications, I would always go to Miss Piercings or Miss Piercing. I don't know why I like to say Miss Piercings, but they have a really straightforward menu, as you can see here. They have really cheap items too, and they also have I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what they have. So if we click on septum, here they have a bunch of septum jewelry. I'm not that into their septum jewelry. That's not what I come here for, ever. I mean, they do have some cute ones, like this one right here. And then they have a steel pincher, which a lot of you guys ask where I get my steel pinchers from. I've gotten a few from here, but you know, not all. And then here they have all types of nose studs. They have really colorful ones. If I ever did like a piercing theme video where I changed all my piercings to one color, I would probably go to here first because they have a bunch of different colored piercings for your nose and everything, to be honest. So if you scroll down, they have some plugs, and I really like their plugs. They have some really cute plugs, and I wish I still had stretched ears. I want to stretch them back, but I don't want to take all the time of doing it, so I just like haven't gotten back into stretching them. But look at these. These are so cute. Like, and these, they have a bunch of cool plugs. Like, I wish I had stretched ears again. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I will be doing a giveaway, and stick around to the end to hear all the details about that. So they also have tapers, which are really cute, and then the pinchers. And then if you scroll all the way down, like not all the way down, but you know, down to the end of the first list, they have piercing tools, which they have H2O cleaning solution, which is really good if you just got piercing. And they also have piercing kits. And yeah, I've gotten a few piercing kits from them. I really trust them. They've been nice. Like the majority of my piercing kits have been from them, and my piercing needles too. But they have a bunch of them, so yeah. They also have like other jewelry, like bracelets and necklaces and stuff. I've never personally like bought that type of stuff from them, but they might have some cute stuff. You just have to look. But they have a bunch of things, and their menu is like pretty straightforward, so it's a good site if you're, I'm losing my voice. It's a good site if you're like just getting into stuff. So the next site we're going to be visiting is Rebelbot, which I really love their stuff. I've gotten a bunch of stuff from them. And you see they have this pretty straightforward menu too. I like to buy my lip piercings from them. They have a bunch of really cute lip piercings, and they have this menu that really helps you find the type of piercing you need. So for me, I would just go to 𝓈𝓽 jewelry, and here you see they have a bunch of cool stuff, these 𝓈𝓽 studs, and then let's look at those. So look at this, like these basic steel twist spiral rings. I love those. They also have like double twists. They have I don't even know what most of this is, but it's really fucking cool. Like, I think they have a bunch of cool products, and they're really cute. I would really recommend shopping from here. Oh, and by the way, this isn't sponsored like at all. Like, I wish, but the next site I'm going to show you, I have tried to do a collab with them, but it didn't like go through. But they're still a really great site. It was just like shipping problems. I really love 𝓉𴽽𴃜 specifically though, because they have like such a great assortment of stuff, and it's so easy to like, you know, click on exactly what you need because they have this little menu here. And so I would just go for nostril piercing. You could click septum piercing or anything. They have all these kinds of cute jewelry. They have, this is actually where I got my steel pincher from, the black one. I just went through here, and I think it might be this black one, but I'm not sure. My septum right now, I got it from them, and it is 10 gauge. I'm not sure what the diameter is. And then I also got these rings from them. Not sure what the diameter is, but it's 20 gauge. And this piercing, I actually got it from like Hot Topic. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the next site now. This is Body J for you. And they have a bunch of stretching kits, and I think they have piercing kits too. They have plugs and tunnels. They have really cute tunnels. I haven't really bought like nose jewelry from them or septum or anything, but I do think they have a bunch of cute stuff. I mean, it's kind of basic. It's the same as Miss Piercings. I think they have better deals than misspiercing.com because I think they do multiple for, wait, let's see. How many do you get though? Do you get all of these? Yeah, I think they do multiple for a big deal, so I think this is better price-wise than Miss Piercings. But you can just look at all the sites and compare, see what you like. They do have some really cute nose studs. Like, these nose studs, they're all so cute and I want to try them out, but I'm just like, if I get anything other than like a basic silver ring or like a basic stud, it's just not gonna look good on me, but I'm gonna try it out one day. Now, about the giveaway. I will be giving away one piercing kit. I will insert a picture of it like right here, there's somewhere on the screen, and one stretching kit, which I will also insert a picture of to 2 people. So one stretching kit goes to one person, and one piercing kit goes to another person. And all you have to do is like this video and then comment on my most recent Instagram picture. I will have the exact picture linked below, like right above in my description box, so you know which exact picture it is. Comment why you want either the piercing or the stretching kit, and then on the 21st of November, I will choose a winner, and the first person gets the first pick, so. And I will DM that person and we'll get all the shipping information sorted out and everything. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.